allow unlicensed person to operate is up to 90 days in jail, no points, no license sanctions at all, and up to $500 fines plus court costs. You understand the possible penalty? Mr. Craig, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney?
Yes.
All right. The prosecutor has asked me to dismiss this case from January 22nd. I'm going to guess that it's okay with you if I do that?
Yes.
You didn't post any cash bond, did you? You're free to go, sir. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bryce Harris. You don't need any from me. You're all set. Good morning, Mr. Harris. You're going forward today without an attorney? All right. The prosecutor made a deal with you. It looks like you're going to plead responsible to the added charge of double parking. You've agreed to pay fines and costs of $150. Is that correct?
Yes.
I'll dismiss the original charge when the $150 is paid. When can you pay it? Today? Like now on the way out the door? Awesome. Go downstairs and get yourself a cashier smile. Have a great day. Schuster. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
You're going forward today without an attorney?
Sure.
All right. Let's see what we got. All right, I've got two files today. One is an August 30, 2023 drawable license suspended from Romulus. You talked to the prosecutor on that one, right?
Pretty sure.
Yeah, you're going to plead to a no valid operator license on that person. That's the deal? All right. Did you talk to anybody about the Huron ticket? All right, so I've got a Huron Township ticket from April 17, 2024, same charge. So same possible $500 fines plus court costs up to 93 days in jail. You understand that? Okay. There's a plea agreement that the prosecutor for Huron Township put in the file that if you plead guilty to allow unlicensed driver to operate, she'll dismiss that charge. Allow unlicensed person to operate is up to 90 days in jail, no points, no license sanctions at all, and up to $500 fines plus court costs. You understand the possible penalty? You want to take that deal too? I'm just offering it. I can give you a court date and come back and talk to the prosecutor face to face if you want to.
Sure.
Which one? Take the deal? All right, let's take care of that one first. On April 17th, 2024, did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township?
Yes.
And at the time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes.
I'll accept your plea on that one. Now, as today's file, the one that was scheduled for today, you understand the possible penalty for no valid operators on license on person?
Yes.
And you understand your rights, yes?
Yes.
All right. You understand now, if I accept your plea to no ops, then that goes on your record of Secretary of State and they may resuspend you. No points, but they may lengthen the suspension period that you're currently under. You understand that's possible? Understanding that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Right. And on that date, August 30th of 23, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township, or excuse me, in Romulus while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? All right, I'll accept your plea on both of them. Both drawable license suspended charges are dismissed. Are you working, sir?
Yes.
Where do you work? Who do you work for, I should say? Self-employed?
Yeah, I also have a job. Pizza workers for pizza at downtown Detroit.
Okay. Okay. What's the status of your license?
I paid everything off.
You're legal? Awesome.
A few months, like a month and a half ago, I paid all my fines on everything. I came here. I got.
Okay.
It's my first few payments, but I have the money. I have the money to
You can catch up?
make up for what I missed. And I also had a board meeting, I think last a few weeks ago on a Zoom meeting for the sport, and I couldn't get
That's the Huron one that we just dealt with. May 14th?
the
Yeah.
I was with the Zoom for it. I could not figure out how to do it.
Yeah. Because I'm showing that was in Judge Martin's court. You failed to appear on May 14th,
Yeah.
and that's when the prosecutor left the plea deal.
Oh, yeah.
So that'll take care of it. Okay? Anything else?
Uh,
All right.
yeah, we got cash on it.
Good. Good. Okay. All right, so on each of these files, fines and costs are $550. On each of these files, it's 4 days on the court work program. Have you heard me explain how the work program works? Any questions about work program?
To get here, it's about 6 or 7 hours.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, you picked the 4 days. Well, in this case, 8 days. And the payment plan that you're going to catch up with today, we can just add these on that tail end and keep it running. All right. Any questions? Good luck. Yep, go down to the front counter, take care of the cashier part and the work program scheduling.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You as well. Keegan Weathers.
Bring it on.
Weathers, come on up. Good morning, Mr. Bowditch.
5367, very well. Sir, would you spell your name and record, please?
Keating Weathers, yeah.
Thank you.
Today's date and time is set for Raymond and Mr. Hathaway for reading standing. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case on. You have an executed plea agreement subject. In that agreement, Mr. Weathers, you'll allowing an unlicensed driver to drive a vehicle with the understanding the original charge. He does have his school license restored.
Beautiful. All right, Mr. Weathers, you understand your rights after discussing same with counsel?
Yeah.
And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yeah.
Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on March 24, 26? You didn't drive a vehicle on that date? The date of the ticket? You were driving a car then in Romulus? Okay, and at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yeah.
Satisfied, Mr. Bowditch? So am I. I'll dismiss the original charge. License is reinstated. Are you working, sir? Where at?
For myself,
What do you do?
mobile mechanic,
Okay. Probably keep him busy.
but
Good, good. All right. All right, anything else before I sentence? All right. Mr. Weathers, $500 fines and costs and 4 days on the court work program. You pay it today or you need options?
I do a payment plan.
Go downstairs and they'll tell you all about your options there. Understand how the work program works? All right, take care of that downstairs as well. Good luck, sir. Is it Kubitz? Did I say it right? Yeah, what's yes mean? Cubits, come on up. Mr. Bowditch,
Now, you're on for the record, about it, you're on behalf of the students.
Cubits. Cubits.
Can you tell the record correctly for the record?
Thank
Thank you. Now, you're on today's date time, sir, Raymond in this matter. We've also had a chance to pre-try. You have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement, Mrs. Stevens would be pleading guilty to an act of operating while visibly impaired with the understanding the original charge would be that is.
Okay, all right. You understand your rights and options after discussing those with Mr. Bowditch? Do you understand your rights and options? I know I talk fast. Do you understand your rights and options after discussing same with Mr. Bowditch? You understand the possible penalty for today's charge? Well, the added charge. Are you pleading guilty to the added charge? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on 2/4/26? Did you drink alcohol before you did? Was there a breath or blood test?
Blood test, Your Honor, I think she was a .10. That's, she was a little cloudy on that, but
Okay.
I spoke to her, I talked about it. It was above the .0.
Okay, all right. Are you satisfied those facts support the plea? I'll accept the plea to the added charge. I'll dismiss the original charge. You working? Where do you work? All right, how long? Good. All right. I'm gonna send you downstairs. You're gonna go to, did you already tell her all this? You're gonna go to the probation department. They're gonna have you scheduled to come back for an interview, tell you when the sentencing is. In the meantime, I'll put you on a personal bond. Yeah. Okay. Raise your right hand. Hold on. 2 conditions are easy. Stay out of trouble, show up for court. 3rd condition, hopefully it's easy. Do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you get a doctor's script. Can you live with those rules? Now raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you mess that up? Any questions? All right, go on downstairs. Have a nice day. You're welcome, Mr. Bowden.
In this courtroom session, 2 defendants appear before the judge to resolve separate driving-related cases through plea agreements. Mr. Weathers is charged with driving while his license was suspended, but the court notes that he has since restored his driving privileges. After reviewing the agreement, the judge accepts the plea, dismisses the original charge, and orders him to pay a $500 fine along with completing 4 days of court work program service. The hearing then turns to Mr. Cubits, who is facing an alcohol-related driving offense. As part of a negotiated plea deal, he agrees to plead guilty to the reduced charge of operating while visibly impaired, allowing the more serious charge to be dismissed. The judge carefully questions him about his rights, reviews the facts of the incident, including the blood alcohol evidence, and confirms that his plea is voluntary and based on the facts of the case before formally accepting it. The hearing provides an interesting look at how plea bargains are handled in court, with the judge ensuring that both defendants understand the consequences of their decisions while balancing accountability, fairness, and judicial efficiency.